Welcome to a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about, can you actually really manifest money? Today is Bank Holiday Monday, so I don't know if you celebrate Easter. Basically all we do is chill out and do nothing. As the day after Easter, get loads of chocolate eggs everywhere. It's a blessed day, you know. And you know what I was thinking? I was like, you know, because of the return of Jesus and all that, you know, he's come back from the dead today. Does he bring money with him to manifest? I don't know why I had to bring up Jesus today. I thought it's just Bank Holiday Monday. Try to think of a pattern interrupt on the spot, right? But now we're gonna get into the video. So we're gonna get into how you can manifest money in 24 hours or less. Let's go. Can you manifest money in 24 hours or less? The answer is yes. Of course you can. Of course you can. But you're probably wondering, how do you do that? Do you know what I mean? How do you do that? Because a lot of people, especially if you're watching this video right now, are either one, skeptical about the law of attraction and all that woo-woo stuff. Do you know what I mean? Everyone's like, well, I'm not really too sure about. Or two, know what it is, but don't really know how to get it as fast as possible. Do you know what I mean? They know how to manifest money, but they don't know how to manifest a large sum of money in a couple hours or less. Today I'm going to show you can. You know, you can. I go through some weird techniques on how to do this. I'm also going to clarify in this video a lot about the law of attraction, because whether you know about the law of attraction or not, or manifestation or anything else like that, we're going to get into some of the real truths about it. Because you know, so many people, they'll read the book The Secret. I know personal people who read The Secret and then they'll go, okay, yes, The Secret sounds good. Yeah, you just gotta, you know, be what you already want to be, and it'll come to you. And you know, this is one of the problems with The Secret, I reckon, because you know, I've seen people go, yeah, this will come to me. This is how I'll manifest my job. And then you know, if they'll do this to manifest a new job, and then the new job doesn't come, they're like, doesn't work, load of rubbish, because I didn't get specifically what I wanted. And then you know what I mean? It just seems like it doesn't actually properly work, because it doesn't go in depth on how to actually get it. Now, it doesn't really go into the action side of it. Now, this is why so many people are not going, right, right, $1 million in the bank, whee, 24 hours left. You know what I mean? This is why so many people don't actually do this. This is why you don't see millionaires just walking about all the time. You don't see that. This is the reason why. The reason being is because you've got to put in the action. Now, people think action, hard work, you gotta hustle. And there's nothing wrong with the hustle mentality, there's nothing wrong with it. But at the same time, if you go too hard, you're gonna burn yourself out, and you're like, you don't even want to enjoy life, you don't have any free time to do what you want in life. Yeah, this is why you don't see millionaires everywhere. You know, you don't see people just walking about going, yes, $1 million in the bank, hey, you know what I mean? The real reason, the real way to do it is applying manifestation techniques. You know, techniques like visualization, vision boards, all this. You know, you might see a lot of people talk about, if you see all these law of attraction videos, manifestations, apply that. You know, that's great. I know people who have done really well from the law of attraction that way. People have manifested a lot. I know people personally who've been able to get the dream job, or the dream career, the $1 million, the dream house, the dream car. You know, people have done that. But when I've been talking to these people that are millionaires, really successful entrepreneurs that have applied these techniques, the difference between them and someone else who hasn't really applied these techniques is that, well, they've applied the techniques but not really got the results, is that they've not put in the same amount of action. Now, some people on the successful entrepreneur section, you know, they've worked really hard at what they do, everything. Whereas some people have worked hard to set up the foundations, and then worked to actually set up a system where they can automate revenue coming in. And that is usually who I see as the people who are top manifestors. You know, the people who actually really can, you know, get results with manifestation and all that sort of stuff, especially when it comes to money, manifesting money. Now, one of the ways that they can do that by going manifesting a lot of big sum of money in 24 hours or less is having these systems in place. Do you know what I mean? Having these automatic systems, whether it be Shopify dropshipping or some sort of, you know, I've seen a lot of people, you know, businesses similar to Tony Robbins, sort of stuff like that. Affiliate marketing, you know, these systems where there's, you know, paid advertisements going out, you know, advertising something and getting people in. When you usually have these systems in place and apply these manifestation techniques, they see a big, like, large amount of results, and it's quite uncanny to say the least. That you're like, okay, so these people have applied that and they're getting so much money in through that time, whereas the other people might manifest it and get 20p. Do you know what I mean? And it's all about increasing your financial thermostat. You've got to be able to know that your body, your vessel is ready to accept millions in. You know, it's important to actually have that mindset first, because one of the ways that people go broke if they win the lottery, they're just out of nowhere. Do you know what I mean? Think about this. If you were like, I'm going to manifest $1 million tomorrow, right, and you had a couple pounds in the bank account, maybe you're in debt, do you know what I mean? Then, you know, imagine if you get $1 million in your account. You're like, yes, get in, finally, woohoo! And then the $1 million will then go to other stuff. You pay off your debts, and then, well, the thing is, you might not have the financial knowledge to be able to apply it to increase your revenue. So then you're just spending the money until, you know, because if you get a large sum of money, there's nothing more coming in. So a lot of people who get loads of large sums of money, nothing's coming back in, so they'll waste their money on random stuff. And then when it's gone, they'll feel horrible about it. They'll feel disgusting, worse than he was before, you know. And you got to think, you're being protected by not having that money at this time, you know what I mean? And just to trust the timing of everything, because even if you're not getting it in 24 hours or less, doesn't mean you cannot get it in 24 hours or less. You know, manifest businesses, learning your financial knowledge, manifest being able to have these automated systems that give you money, give you time, and just, you know, just stuff that actually is really valuable to you and to increase your revenue on a daily basis, instead of just getting a lump sum of money and spending it all and blowing it all away. Do you know what I mean? The best way to be is having these systems in place where you get so much money in on a daily basis. Do you know what I mean? These passive income sources, it's possible. A lot of people think it's not possible. It's completely possible. Rental properties. Ooh, people are renting out properties on Airbnb at the moment, and they're making loads, and it's in lockdown. So imagine when it's not even in lockdown. You know what I mean? There's going to be making loads of money. It's a massive business model as well. So many ways to make money. Do you know what I mean? There is so many ways to make money. It's just finding something that you love and finding ways to make money doing that something you love, because then you'll never get bored of doing what you love, and then you'll find money. You know what I mean? You'll find ways to make money through that. Could be an e-commerce store, could be anything. And then once you do that, you'll realize, but okay, now applying these manifestation techniques with these business models will then get you more money, which is completely true. Like, I've experienced it firsthand myself. So yeah, honestly, try these manifestation techniques and see how it goes for you. But make sure that you don't actually just do these manifestation techniques and don't focus on the action. You know what I mean? Because as long as you've got to put the action in, otherwise it's not going to work. It's just going to be not given to you handed on a plate. Otherwise, why doesn't everyone have it? You know what I mean? You've got to go out there and get it. I wanted 1 million subscribers on YouTube, then I can't just be sitting down just doing this without recording. I mean, some people probably can. Some people probably can make money from just lying down sleeping and probably get 1 million subscribers, record themselves doing that. But you know, you've got to record it. You've got to just do that action of recording it and putting it on YouTube, because it's not going to go on YouTube itself, is it? So, you know, as long as you put any action, then it'll work. Thank you all for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more mindset techniques to actually manifest money or get money in your life or anything else like that, or the actual methods to be able to get money in your life through online sources. So subscribe for more of that. Comment below with what you actually want to know about to do with getting money in and everything else like that. Let me know. And yeah, just thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later.